Let's face it, the marketing world moves fast, and 2026 is shaping up to be no different. Keeping up can feel like a challenge, but the good news is that you don't need years of experience to build the skills that you need to stand out. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide is for you. Today, we're diving into the marketing skills you need to succeed, and more importantly, how you can learn them for free or with minimal investment. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First up, content creation. This is one of the most versatile skills in marketing. It is the ability to craft engaging blog posts, social media captions, videos, and infographics. Companies want marketers who can create value-driven, relatable, and on-brand material that resonates with their audience. Start with free tools like Canva for design, CapCut for video editing, and AI-driven platforms like ChatGPT for brainstorming content ideas. Practice by writing blog posts, filming short videos, and creating mock social media campaigns for industries you're passionate about. Mix up your portfolio. Even personal projects can showcase your range and creativity. Experiment with different formats to see what clicks with your style and audience. Next, let's talk about data analytics, a skill that's more important than ever. This is understanding and interpreting data to measure campaign success and make informed decisions. Marketing strategies live and die by data. Whether it's website traffic, social media performance, or email open rates, knowing how to read and act on this data is crucial. Explore Google Analytics Academy, watch free YouTube tutorials on Excel basics, and check out beginner guides on SQL. Start with simple projects like analyzing your own social media data. What posts are performing better and why? Focus on understanding trends and how to draw actionable insights. You don't need to be a math whiz by any means, just be comfortable working with numbers and patterns. Now let's get social. Social media strategy is something that you'll be using every single day, quite literally. This is planning and executing campaigns across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and X. Social media is where brands connect with their audience. Knowing trends and how algorithms work can make or break a campaign. Follow top marketers, reverse engineer trending campaigns to see what makes them work, and experiment with your personal and mock accounts. Tools like Buffer and Later are great for planning and analyzing posts. Start small, focus on one platform at a time, learn its ins and outs, and then expand your expertise. Social media is dynamic, so it's essential to stay curious and adaptable. Up next, SEO. It's not as intimidating as it sounds, promise. This is enhancing content to rank higher on search engines, driving organic traffic to your website. Organic traffic saves money and builds trust with users. People trust top search results more than paid ads. Take free courses on platforms like Moz or SEMrush Academy. Start small by optimizing a personal blog or helping a friend's website. Focus on basic skills like keyword research, meta tags, and on-page optimization. Start with the basics and you'll be ahead of most beginners. Last, but definitely not least, collaboration and communication. This is working effectively in teams and clearly communicating your ideas. Marketing is a team sport. You'll work with designers, writers, managers, and sometimes even clients. Clear, constructive communications is key to bringing campaigns to life. Practice makes perfect. Join online communities, participate in group projects, or even role-play team scenarios. Soft skills workshops and webinars can also help refine these abilities. Here's the secret. Great communication is as much about listening as it's about speaking. Make sure that your input is thoughtful and that you're open to feedback. And there you have it. The top marketing skills. Remember, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience. These skills are all learnable with the right mindset and a little practice. Let me know in the comments if there's a particular skill that you're most excited to learn. If you want to expand your marketing learning, be sure to check out my video on the top marketing tools. Thanks for watching and happy learning.